Guys, so like I promised in the last video, this video is going to be about how to configure the deal approval process in your HubSpot account. So let's dive into it. To do that, you need to go to settings, click on objects, and over here, select deals. Now, when you go to enter inside deals, you need to go to pipelines. So then we need to go to pipeline rules. And over here, there's this last option to add approval process for deals. So I'll just enable it. And if you see, once I do that, the pending approval deal stage is automatically created over here. Now I can just change the positioning for it. So for example, if I want the approval to be after the presentation is scheduled, so I get this message which says when you move this stage, some deals will skip to approval stage, which is all of these. So that is okay for me. I can continue. So if I want that post the presentation scheduled, there should be an approval in place so that the deal can move ahead. I could just move it on to that. And likewise, I can move it to any stage. I can also move it to qualified to buy. So the only thing is post this approval, all of these deal stages can be changed by anyone. But for it to move from qualified to buy to presentation schedule, there's an approval which needs to take place. So once that is set, I'll click to next. In this part, it asks me which deal need approval. So I can either select all deals like a blanket thing which all deals need approval or a specific condition. So for example, over here, if I want to have approved deals only from a specific deals coming from a specific deal owner, I can do that, saying that only if the deal owner is any of, and that's it. And I need to add an approver over here. So this is a demo account, so just two. So I'll just add one approver, and then if I want, I can add a note as well saying please approve. I click on next. So over here, it will just show me all of the things which I've already set. That it should be after pending approval, deal owner is any of car, and the approvers is this. And say, and that is it. So you've successfully set your approvals for all of your deals. Now, for any deal which is created by the salesperson called Onkar, once it moves from qualified to buy, from presentation schedule, before moving to qualified to buy, it will need to go through an approval. And only when that approval is executed, can it move to the next stage. So that's how it is. That's how you can set it. Hope you found this helpful. Thank you.